This is in my backyard. I live just outside of Tampa. I have a painted bunting male, and I think that's a yellow-bellied sapsucker. It's a woodpecker of some sort. But look at that painted bunting. I don't know if you can see it really well. It's got bluish purple head, an orange red belly. Oh man. And it had green wings, like greenish yellow. Very pretty for Tampa. Bird. Looks exotic. Here comes that sapsucker. I don't know. He's really cool. I don't know. I'm sitting here in my backyard looking at some YouTube videos and watching some of that Lunkers TV and Fish in the Midwest, and I could hear these guys behind me, and I was like, hey, maybe I should pick up the camera. Pretty little boogers.